Hello kids and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is indoor games. Games, children, very important for your health, for your growth, for your development. Whatever game you like, whether it's an indoor game, whether it's an outdoor game, have a game, opt for a game and start practicing that game. Do practice that game at least for an hour in a day. It boosts your mind. It boosts your health. It is very good for your growth, for your mind. So playing games is very, very important, children, for your overall development, for your overall growth. Today in this chapter, we'll talk about the indoor games. When there is scorching heat and you want to play inside the house, so these games are played inside the house. That is why inside a space or inside a house. That is why the name is given indoor. These games we can play in a closed space or area. So the first game is indoor game is table tennis. A very big table separated into two sections with a net, with a small net. Two players stand opposite to each other. There is a small bat, small ball. What is the game? You have to hit the ball with the bat, and the trick is don't let it fall. If you let it fall, you lose the point. So this is table tennis. Now the next indoor game is intellectual game. It has black and white blocks. There is a board which we call chess board. Two people sit opposite to each other and they move the pieces on the board to win. So it requires your mind. It is very good for your growth. Your mind works. It develops the presence of mind. According what the other person move, you move. So to win. So it is a very good game, chess. Now the next game is indoor game is snakes and ladder. It is a very common game. Many children enjoy this game. Just you have to roll the dice and according to the number you have to move from the numbers, and if you get a ladder you climb up, but be aware of snakes. If the snake bites you, you land up on snake, and if the snake bites you, you have to come down. So the other people might win. So this is snakes and ladder. Now the next very common game is everyone's favorite indoor game is Ludo. You have a Ludo board, you move your tokens according to the number you get when you roll the dice, and the point here is you have to reach to your home first. So this is Ludo. Now the next very common, enjoyed by many children, as a toddler also they start making and playing with these is blocks. What they do? They stack and make whatever they like, a big building, tower, anything with the blocks. Now the next indoor game is carom. You have your coins. You have 4 pockets in the carom board. You have to hit the striker and put the coins into those pockets. Whosoever hit the maximum coins into the pockets win the game. And here the queen is very important. If you get a queen, you get a jackpot. So this is carom. So children, this is about the indoor games. I hope you understood this chapter well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.